Hello children! Today I'm going to be making a background and I'm going to start with a rainbow. So I'm starting with some blue, then some green and yellow and orange and even red. And then I'm going to see what picture wants to come out of my page. So today I think I'm going to be making a forest, and then at the end I might add a bear climbing the hill, or birds in the sky, or people hiking. So you use your imagination and come up with something that you want to draw at the end. But it's always fun to use the block crayons to make a beautiful background. And so I hope you enjoy making this background today. So first I'm going to use some blue to define where the trees are going to be. Then I'll go over that with some green. And at the end I'm going to use some indigo just to make them appear like they're really, really close. It always is nice to have multiple colors on top of each other or representing the image. It brings it alive. You know, we have light and shadow, and so there are always multiple colors in everything. Nothing is one solid color if you look at it. And it's also important to have in your image, you know, you have the landscape, you have the mountains, which is kind of the rocky world, and the earth represented by the grass, and we have trees which are alive in a certain way. And then you might add something else to the image. I'm going to stop with just the landscape, but I think that there could be a bear climbing across the grassy hills. There could be a person hiking. There are many different ways that you could bring the image even more alive. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you learned something. I'll be making more videos as time goes on, so please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.